5:45. I'd best put the tea on soon. He'll want it hot when he gets in. Full roast tonight, with gravy of course. I don't even like gravy, just muddy water it is. I only make it for him. He likes his gravy. Who's that? Hello? Yes, this is his wife speaking. Oh, right. Okay. Thanks for letting me know. Bye. Well, I can't say I'm surprised. He's been late every night for the past 2 weeks. That secretary of his is called each time. He won't make the effort himself, of course. She has to do it for him. They think I don't know what they're up to, but I know that every night he says he's late, he's really with her. My best friend! I found out about a week ago. He was working late again, so I decided to take his tea to him. He said he didn't want me to go to all that trouble. I bet he didn't. But I went anyway. I was doing him a favour after all, the ungrateful so-and-so. I arrived at his office only to see him and my best friend with her hands all over him. Over a desk it was as well. His standards have lowered. He disgusts me. I might tell him I know. Well, then again, I might wait for him to confess. He'll beg for my forgiveness when it comes out. Beg. He'll regret it, you know. Just throwing away a marriage for some risky sex behind my back. And with my best friend too. Who do they think they are? I'm an intelligent and sophisticated woman. I'm better than her, certainly, and I know what they're doing. It's not that I don't satisfy him, he just doesn't realise how good he's got it, the fool. Right, tea time. Nothing like a good roast, is there? What's that? He's left his phone behind. It's his woman, my friend Kathy. Says she's already missing him, even though he's only just left. It's ages since we had a good chat. Might ask her out for dinner tomorrow. Make a shepherd's pie. She likes my shepherd's pie. Yeah, have a good chat. Oh, hello, dear. Been working late, have we? I've just had the call. Late again. I asked him last night, is there anything you want to tell me, dear, you know, about work? Because I know it can be challenging. Of course, I knew the answer, and he replied instantly, no. It was his only word. He didn't bother talking to me properly, just an offhand, one-worded answer. It's his fault this marriage is falling apart. He's thrown it away. I mean, what's she got that I haven't got? There's nothing wrong with me, nothing, the stupid man. I rang Kathy up last night. I asked her if she'd like to come for a meal at our house. Shepherd's pie. She agreed. So then she said she thought she'd get a lift with Mike, since, you know, her car's off the road and she can just walk to his office. Handy, isn't it? Mike agreed to give her a lift home. Isn't he the perfect husband? So considerate. They deserve this. They've made it happen themselves. I don't want to use it. I don't want to use it. I'm not sure who I'm going to use it on yet. Him, her, me. It'll work out better whoever I use it on. He'd be the easiest. Do it while he's sleeping, dreaming of her. Oh, good, they're here. Here comes my best friend, Kathy. My just locking the car. Best of friends, me and Kathy are. Best of friends. Always there for me.